To my subscribers and all my future subscribers. Today we're going to look at this Klein Tools 5-in-1 non-metallic cable multi-tool here. And here's the model number L1412. So it's going to work on 14 2-wire and 12 2-wire here. And it has lots of nice features. It strips, it loops, it twists. It has 5 different features. On the back, it shows you how to do it. So you can actually strip the wire and take the sheathing off here. It's got a blade to take the sheathing off. It's got a blade to cut your 14-2 and your 12-2 wire here. It loops wires and even uses this connector on the end of it to use on your mar to twist your mar on. And it's magnetic. Right here it's magnetic. Here on the side it's magnetic. So we're going to take a look at this today. Made in Taiwan. I'm going to save the packaging, so Klein Tools 5-in-1 multi-tool. Here's the model number L1412. It's like a hard plastic here. It's about 4 inches long. It's got a magnet on the bottom of it here. So this is going to cut your sheathing on your 14-2 and 12-2 wire. There's a little hook inside here, and you run your wire through there, and it cuts your sheathing. And then when you pull your sheathing down through here, it comes down, it narrows down, and there's a knife there, and you can cut your sheathing away from your wiring. It has a wire stripper on the end here. This is number 12 and 14 AWG, and 14 and 16 stranded wire. No gauge on here, so it doesn't show you 3/4 or a half an inch here. Here's the end here for a wire nut. So you put a wire nut on, you can use this to tighten it on here. It even has a looper on the top of the tool here. So we'll take a look at this Klein Tools today. Here's your hook. You can cut the sheathing off. This is 14-2 wire. Cut the sheathing off 14-2 wire. Just get it in there, get it started, and just slide it up here. It's cutting the sheathing here very easily. Now you take the sheathing and you're going to pull it through here and just cut it off. The blade in the bottom here. Get it started. Pull it through this channel here to the bottom and just use that blade to cut your sheathing off here. Fairly good job. This is 12-2 wire, so the sheathing is a little bit wider because the wires are thicker here. So we're going to pull it through here and pull the sheathing back down through this channel here. See how it narrows down, and there's a knife that cuts the sheathing. So we'll try this 12-2 here, where it cuts it very easily here. So we'll pull the sheathing down through this channel here, and see how it narrows down here. So the sheathing is a little bit harder to pull because it's a little bit wire's a little bit thicker here. Get down to the groove. And it cuts the sheathing off very nicely here. So this is 14-3. It says it'll cut 14-2 and 12-2 wire. I'm wondering if it's going to cut the 14-3 wire. I seen a video where they actually tried it and it actually worked. So we'll try it here to see if it does cut it here. Seems to be cutting it here. Seems to have cut it here. And the sheathing here. Yeah, the sheathing is off. And we'll pull it down. And we'll pull the sheathing off here. So it did do it. It didn't damage the wires neither. Did a nice job. This is 12-2 wire. And it has here, you can strip wire here. 12's on top, 14's in the bottom here. So we'll put the number 12 wire in here. A little thicker wire than number 14. Get the wire all set up inside here. There. Now it's suggested you turn it a bit, then pull it. There it goes. Pretty good job here. This strips some 14-2 wire here. So that goes right to the bottom of the stripper here. It's a nice job, and we'll loop the wire as well. There you go. So you can use this end for wire nuts here. Just slide that in here. Ready to get the wires twisted here, and you'll just twist it on. Got little wings in there, and it's catching it here. So does a pretty good job. And that wire nut is on there nice and tight. This Klein Tools 501 multi-tool was not bought off Amazon. Amazon wanted like $60 Canadian for it. So I bought it off this company here that takes, it's a lot cheaper than I think I paid, maybe $40 with delivery and everything. And that's in Canada. And I'll leave the link in the description box. This is the Klein Tools 501 multi-tool here for stripping and sheathing off wire, like 14-2 and 12-2 wire here. So that's the big mess it left behind here. I did a short minute video, which is 1 minute, and I'm going to do a full video, which is still in progress. But a lot of people don't realize if you did an 8-minute video, it takes you 8 minutes, takes you a lot more than 8 minutes, or a 1 minute short video. A lot of retakes here. So appreciate a lot of the videos that are out there. It takes more than 8 minutes and more than 1 minute to do. This concludes the video on the Klein 501 multi-tool. So please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video today. Have a great one, people.